Welcome to Palette. In this video, will I show you how to type a text in a circle. Let's start. Select the ellipse tool and make sure the fill has no color. Click and drag out and hold the Shift key for a perfect circle. Align it to the center. Select the horizontal text tool. Click on the circle when you see a wavy line. Make sure the circle layer is selected and begin typing whatever you want. Now you can move and adjust it how you want. Remove the circle layer and we are done. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos.